F1 opens the help screen for almost every program. F2 rename a selected file or folder. It can also be used for editing cells in Excel. F3 opens a search feature for an application that is active at the moment. F4, this key can have different uses depending on the program. In some applications, it can be used to repeat the last action. In Windows Explorer, it can be used to display the address bar. F5, refresh the current window or page. F6, this key is often used to move the cursor to the address bar in a web browser. F7, check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Word. F8, used to access the boot menu in Windows when turning on the computer. F9, refresh a document in Microsoft Word or send and receive email in Microsoft Outlook. F10, activate the menu bar in many applications. F11, toggle full screen mode in a web browser or other applications. F12, open the Save As dialog box in Microsoft Word or the Developer Tools in a web browser.